So acting soft is a turn off? So just to be clear, I am under the impression na yung mean here by being soft is being needy. Well, the answer to that is yes. Definitely. Bakit? Because being soft is feminine energy. How do you expect a woman to fall for a man kung mas malambot pa yung lalaki kaysa sa babae? How should a woman feel secured if their man is soft and not in his core? A man is all about breaking through barriers, achievements, accomplishing goals. Ngayon, if you're a man and you're doing all the things that a man is supposed to do, a woman will feel secured being around you. Mafe-feel ng babae na, okay lang, everything's gonna be alright. I got my BF or I got my husband around kasi. Ngayon, if the guy is acting needy and not in his core, aka being soft, huge turn off na yan para sa mga babae. Pero syempre, meron din namang ibang mga babae na hanap talaga nila sa ibang lalaki ay yung soft sila. And majority of those women are in their masculine energy naman. Typically, yung mga babaeng lumaki sa isang household na yung babae, yung nanay nila yung may suot ng pantalon. While she was young, she always sees her mom boss her dad around. And yung tatay naman ang sagot lang lagi, "Yes, honey." Yung mga ganong babae, typically when they grow up, they will be in their masculine. Bakit? Yun na nakikita niya while she was growing up Yung mom niya yung dominante sa pamilya. She's the one making decisions, she's the one solving problems. Basically, the mom is acting the part of the dad. Kung ganyang klaseng babae ang hanap mo, most probably if you're a soft male who is in their feminine energy, aka being soft and needy, pwede kayong mag-click niyan. Kasi the polarity is still there Ayun nga lang, baliktad. Si babae yung masculine, si lalaki yung feminine. Pero if you ask me personally, not in a million years that I would go into that type of relationship. So ayun lang, I hope nakatulong ako and follow for more. And by the way, if you want to book a one-on-one coaching session with me, click the link on the bio na lang. And don't forget to follow me on my IG and my FB and also my YouTube channel. Peace!